Look at that. Lotteria, magic. Amazing. If this reservation start time is after, the end time, then we can break from this loop. Add restaurant with invalid capacity throws an exception. I actually wanted it to add a JUnit 5 parameterized test, okay, to validate all the invalid input meters. Every single parameter that it's passed, it's going to throw an illegal argument exception. So if you open the POM XML, you will see that IntelliJ added it. You need to fix the imports. The parameterized tests are the ones that are generating errors, and the error is an expect exception type thrown. It's expecting a legal argument exception where it was NPE. A simple way to fix it is to actually parameterize the exception as well. With a better prompt, we got a better, Java doc. The method checks if the total party size of the overlapping reservations, including the new reservation, would exceed the restaurant's capacity.